Lesson 27. To be supposed to. What were you supposed to do? Megan, 31 years old, USA. My husband Patrick and I were supposed to go on a romantic trip to Paris last week. We were supposed to explore the city of love for the first time, but we had to change our plans at the last minute. Sadly, my mother got sick on the day that we were supposed to leave. We were supposed to be at the airport at 7 a.m., but my father called me at 6:15 to tell me that he and Mom were in a taxi, and they were going to the hospital. Patrick and I immediately decided to cancel our trip. We were disappointed, but we knew that family was more important than the trip. I was supposed to call the hotel to cancel our reservation, but I was so stressed that I forgot to do it. My husband did it an hour later and, luckily, we didn't lose any money. He also surprised me and booked another trip to Paris for next year. I hope that we'll be able to go this time.
Pedro, 23 years old, Portugal. I was supposed to move to Berlin in March 2020 and start studying at Humboldt University a month later. I was supposed to arrive in the city on March 20th, and my friend Theo was supposed to pick me up from the main train station. I was supposed to move into a room in his apartment, and my classes were supposed to begin on April 6th. Of course, everything changed when the COVID-19 pandemic started in late January. I couldn't travel abroad, and I had to attend my online classes. I was very upset about it. I was supposed to live in a new city, try new things, make friends. I definitely wasn't supposed to sit in front of the computer screen in my bedroom for hours every day. I felt lonely and frustrated, but there was nothing I could do about it. When I finally went to Berlin for the first time a year later, I was incredibly excited.
Daniel, 16 years old, Moldova. I was supposed to go on my very first date last Saturday. My brother's classmate Elena and I were supposed to meet at a new Italian restaurant in our town. After a lovely meal, we were supposed to go to the cinema, and then I was supposed to walk her home. I didn't really know what to expect, but I couldn't wait to see Elena and get to know her better. The date was supposed to start at 3 p.m. While I was getting ready, Elena texted me. She wrote that she wasn't feeling well and had to cancel our meeting. Was it the truth? Probably not. I texted her a few days later, but she didn't reply. To be honest, it hurt me. I was supposed to finally go out with somebody I liked, and it didn't happen.